Today we're going to be playing Roblox. We're going to be in Car Crushes. I really hope you guys enjoy this. And yeah, let's get just straight into it. So if you guys didn't know, this game is literally, you have a car and you literally just have to try and crush it. Like destroy it. This game is really fun. Go check it out if you have Roblox. And yeah. So I'm going to spawn in this car. And we are going to crush it. Let's go. Okay, first we're going to go over here. Okay, let's drive really fast. Let's just... Whoa. Guys, look what I found. Oh my. Oh my, oh my, oh my. Yeet. Oh. Okay. Ooh. Flip. Ooh. What is over here? What? Oh. It's pretty cool. Even though it doesn't do anything. Drive. Quick. Make it. Okay. Whoa. My god, I've already broken my roof. Top of the car in half already. That's an achievement.
Explosion imminent. Evacuate the facility immediately.
Oh no, what was that? What? Guys, did you guys just hear that voice? Oh, here we go. Tristan facility, an escape helicopter has landed somewhere outside row 4. Okay. Let's try and... Oh god, I'm stuck. Go. I think I'm here. Where do I go? It says somewhere outside row 4. Oh, I found it, guys. Guys, I'm in. Yes! Guys, I made it. I am a champion. Oh, yes. That is great. Yes! I survived! And I got like a ton of money from that. Yes! That was great, guys. The facility has been destroyed and will regenerate shortly. But and me, haha, survived! Celebration! I'm so happy. I've never survived from this before. Never. I think I can get a new car now as well. So this is a great. Here it is. Can I get a new car yet? Let's see. Yes, I can. Get this one. This is nice. Get this car and we can crush it. Crush it like anything. Okay. I always go to row 4 just because the like the theme park, kind of obstacle park is there. So yeah. So I can crush my car. Yeet! Oh. I mean, that didn't really do anything. I mean, it kind of... No, it didn't. I can't believe it. I will just crush into this straight, just crush into it. What? This car is like invincible, guys. I have an invincible car. There was a guy when I was getting on the helicopter. He had a monster truck. Like, how sick is that? Oh no. Oh, did that do anything? Oh, I just did a few scratches on my roof. Classic. Okay, I'm gonna try and go over here. Wow! Like, seriously, guys. This car is just indestructible. Okay. Am I gonna make it? No, but I did destroy the back of my car. That's an achievement, I guess. Woohoo! Now go off the edge, go off the edge. Yes! Destruction! Wait, is this a tunnel? Wow. Okay, I'm gonna go up this one. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no, oh no, where am I going? Ooh! Yes. Hey guys, please smash that like button if you enjoyed this video, and subscribe to my channel, please. I would really appreciate it. And lots of gaming videos, Roblox, Roblox, mobile games, stuff like that. Please check it out. And thank you for watching. Okay, I'm gonna drive up here and fall off. Go off, go off, fall. No! Oh, my car's on the edge. Come on, come on, come on. No, am I stuck? No! What? That landed! Oh! What? Once on this game, I set my car on fire. It was so cool. And yeet. Go, go, go. Destruction is mine. Okay. I might go outside the theme park now. Have a little drive around, maybe. And then I'll come back. So I'm gonna go over here. Ooh, I've never been up here before. Okay, just go off the edge. That didn't even do any damage. Oh. What? What? No, it didn't even do anything. I have quite a lot of parts there. I have 712. I mean, that's pretty good, isn't it? Pretty nice. Wow. A rock did better than falling off like a cliff. I am so sorry, guys, but my video is unfortunately going to have to end soon. And as I said before, just please leave a like and subscribe to for regular videos about gaming and Roblox. So yeah, just check it out, and I'll see you next time, I guess. Thanks, guys. Goodbye.